Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change YouTube username on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon. Tap your channel. Click the pencil icon. Tap handle. Change your edit handle name to save your name. Then go back. Type your name. Change your name and save your new channel name. Thanks for watching this video.